welcome to Classroom Clips. My name's Dagmar and I'm going to show you a reading activity that you can do, which gives you great scope for real communication. So first thing you need is a text. I've got a text here from Refresh Now B1 and it's already in 3 parts. So this is ideal for working with students in groups of 3. So what I then do is I copy the texts and cut them up, and so I have 3 smaller texts, which means that the students don't have to read a rather long, overwhelming text. It's chopped up and they read it together in parts. So I hand out my 3 parts to the 3 students in groups, and they get on with reading it. After they've read it, they should then summarise it and tell the other people in the group about what they've read. So you can help them do this in that you take away the text after they've read it. Option is to let them take notes as well. And once they've read it, they talk and they tell each other about the text, and this is a real authentic task because they obviously want to tell each other what they've read and they want to find out what the others have read, and so they can get the whole text together. What you can do next is that you ask them to write down what they've read and summarise the text. So they're immediately using the language that they've read. So this is a great activity to do with reading. So you're not just reading, they're also speaking, they're writing and they're listening as well. Try it out in class, you'll see it's a great activity. Have fun.